Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to correct incorrect business information. Keeping your business information accurate in Fundbox is essential for compliance, eligibility, and smooth access to credit. If your business name, address, EIN, or other key details are incorrect, you want to follow these steps to correct them. First, what information can be updated? Well, you can request corrections or updates to the following: your business name, business address, legal structure, EIN or SSN, owner or representative detail, banking or accounting connections, and of course, email address or phone number. Next, here are steps to update your business information. First is to log into your Fundbox dashboard. Check which details are currently listed under your profile or business settings. Next, you want to contact Fundbox customer support. For most legal or structural changes, you want to email support@fundbox.com with a subject line update request business information for, and then you put your business name. Include the specific change or changes that you want to make. Documentations if needed, for example, the updated IRS letter, business registration form, utility bills for address change. Next, the documents that you may be asked to provide. Now, depending on the update, Fundbox might request a change type possible required documents or business name, business license, IRS EIN letters, address, utility bill, lease agreement, legal structure articles of incorporations or amendments, as well as the EIN, SSN, IRS letter or tax return. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.